Taas-taas naman ito. Ano ba? Bakit di nagawang limutin ka? Bawat sandali ika'y naaalala. Tanging unasan sa may kapal nakapitan muli.
Bakit di ka maalis sa isip ko? Ikaw ang laging laman ng puso ko. Kahit pilitin ko damdamin magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang pinipili ko. Ikaw pa rin ang nakakaging pangarap ko. Ikaw lamang
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw lamang tunay na minamahal. Ikaw ang hintay ko na kay tagal.
Ikaw ang ligaya ng buhay at pag-asa. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Kaya't hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang ibig ko. Ikaw pa rin ang nakakaging pangarap ko.
Ikaw lamang hanggang ngayon. Dapat ba natin pagbigyan
Ang ating mga puso'y muli pang buksan at ibibigay lahat ang pag-ibig at tapat sa'yo.
sa'yo?
Ikaw pa rin ang pinipili ko. Ikaw pa rin ang nagtatanging pangarap ko. Hindi ko na kayang mag-isa.
Ikaw lamang. Hanggang ngayon, babalik po ang asa.
Punta ka sa Wednesday,
Nag-trip na lang
Wednesday?
sa
Wednesday?
Ano araw? Birthday ni Jason.
Free ako na.
O, punta ka din dito.
Ano araw ka na yun? Wednesday ka.
Thursday.
Nakakantay na ka.
Ha? Hindi naman ako mayaman. Pumunta ka kasi birthday ni Jason. Maraming
Nakakantay mo.
oh, pwede daw sa Wednesday now. Walang DM. Babang na lang tayo. Tulog na lang natin sa bar.
and forever. It will be you and me.
May Wednesday ah.
You're like the sun, chasing on the railway. When you come around, you bring brighter days.
You're the perfect one for me, and forever will be, and I will love you so always. Sweet baby, sweet words don't make a family.
And they will bring us joy for always.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you sure can do nothing knows for always.
And we
both know that our love will grow and forever. It will be you and me. Good Lord, the sun, chasing all of the railway. When you come around, you bring bright days. You're the perfect one for me, and forever will be, and I will love you so for what if I never found you? I never had this feeling in my heart. How did this come to be?
I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be.
With all my heart, soul, and I love to have it all. And as far as I can see, you're always certain.
My destiny.
Transfer mo lang sabi, Maya.
May Maya? May Maya?
Ayun naman ang bike naman. Ito naman ang bike.
Want someone like
Ito naman mo.
someone that I
Naglalap na
can
natin eh.
hold to. And give my love until the end of time. But forever just a word, something I only heard about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, give my love to have and hold. And as far as I can see, you were always meant to
behind the wall.
May nag-chat.
Why did you go
Yan ang kinita.
away? You left me all alone. The words
Bye-bye.
can't say my love was there.
You and I, we have moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. We can be the one around. Now I know that we can have it all
Forever.
It's not afraid that we can be together once again.
Forevermore, we'll stay. Your love is great, no matter what they say. Until the end,
You and I, we're more than love.
you and I, we can make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. We can be the one around. Now I know that we can have it all.
Forever. Now I know that we can have it all. Forever. Now I know that we can
Have it all.
Concert. Pwede mag-concert dito. Ang ganda ng mic.
Grabe. Lalo na yung classmate namin na isa na mahawak nito na yun. Kaya kahapon dahil paus ako. Kahapon din ano?
Sa birthday ko, gusto ko dito mag-perform.
Kasi
Sa birthday ko. Sa birthday ko, gusto ko dito mag-perform. O siya,